喜欢，喜欢，喜欢。
To like or to be fond of. It is composed of two components.
喜
Which means like, love or enjoy. On right side, it is.
欢
Which means pleased. So both words have association liking or enjoyment. Thus we can associate both characters' meaning with to like or to be fond of. We can decompose both characters further. At the top, it is
住
which means drum. At the bottom, it is
口
which means mouth or enclosure. Can be further simplified.
是口八一
On the right-hand side,
欢
is composed of
六
which means again, and
欠
which means lack of.
六欠是口八一口我喜欢看，不喜欢打。我喜欢看，不喜欢打。
I like to watch, but I don't like to play.
想，想，想。
To think or to consider. It is composed of two characters.
想，
Which means mutual or reciprocal.
心，
Which means heart. That means if you're thinking about someone, you're sharing your heart with him or her. You've mutual hearts. That's why you're thinking about him or her. We can decompose further.
木，
Tree,
木，
eye,
木，木。心，你想不想学中文？你想不想学中文？
Would you like to learn Chinese?
认识，认识，认识。
To know or to recognize. It is composed of two characters. On left side, it is
认，
which means to recognize. On right side, it is
识，
which means to know or knowledge. So, recognizing knowledge about anything is actually means to know about that thing. So both characters predict the meaning of knowing or recognizing. Both characters can further be decomposed.
言，
Radical for speaking.
人，
People.
言，
Again radical for speaking.
之，
Just, only or simple.
口，八，言，人，言，之，口，八，他认识王先生。他认识王先生。
He knows Wang Mister. He knows Wang Mister.
会，会，会。
It has two meanings. First is can, be able to or to be possible. Second is gathering and meeting. It can be decomposed further.
人，
Which means people.
云，
Which means cloud. So, it means clouds of people. Which portrays any meeting or gathering of people. And if large number of people sit together, that everything is possible and everything can be done. So, both words have an association with each other.
一丝人云反正我不会再买。反正我不会再买。
Anyway, I won't buy another one.
能
To be able to. It has similar meaning as previous character. It can be decomposed to 3 characters.
思
Secret or private.
月
Moon or meat.
笔
Spoon. All 3 characters have association in meaning with main character. You can do anything if you have secrecy in plan, moon like highness in determination, and spoon represents wealth required to do that plan. You can do anything.
思月笔你能来吗？能。你能来吗？能。
Will you be able to come? Yes.
好
Means good or excellent. It is composed of 2 characters.
女
Meaning woman or female. And other character is
子
which means child. So a woman with child feels so good and complete. She feels her family is complete with her child after marriage. So, this character completely describes the meaning by its ingredient characters.
好
Good.